Hello, it's Dave Dunn here at FastCredit Pro. So in this video we're going to be looking at the Credits Payment Gateway, and I'm here on the Credits Payment Gateway settings. Now we can find those settings from the Payments tab in WooCommerce, and I'll just show you the Credits Payment Gateway in that list. So you can find it amongst your payment gateways here. I'll just drag it to the top so you can see it easier. And if all you need to do is enable it, just enable it here and you should be good to go. Right, but I'm going to go through the settings in this. So if we open the gateway itself, and you can see it's now been enabled. Now if we see the options on here, it's quite simple. We've got the title, which is credits purchase, the description, and then the product category error message. I'll explain the product category error message separately in another video, but if we just go quickly through this title and description. So if we go to the front of this demo site, and you can see we've got a credit balance up here, and if we add one of these credit products to the cart, so I'll just add this one, and then we go and view the cart. You can see it's in the cart for the credit balance amount, and then if we proceed to checkout, you can see now we're on the checkout and it's all the totals are in credits, and this is where those details will come into play. So you've got the credit purchase title and then the description here, which you can use as a call to action. So at the minute it just says pay with your credits. So obviously if we come here, we can adjust these title and description as needed. And then this last setting, the product category error message, I'll create a separate video on that because it needs a bit more explanation. So if you're enjoying this video and you're enjoying the content that we're providing here on YouTube and the plugins that we're putting out, just give us a quick like, subscribe and share and all that stuff, because it's going to help us grow this channel. We're at a very early stage at this point, so I'm just making this little call out here. I'm going to stick it in all the videos that you're probably going to see, just to keep reminding you. And also if you got a comment, leave a comment, and if you got requests for videos, let us know as well, so that we can kind of just keep on top of stuff and just bring you stuff that you want to know. Anyway, I look forward to connecting. Any questions, let me know, and chat soon.